Hi everybody, I'm Jason Yates, Vice President of Marketing and Hairdresser for John Paul Mitchell Systems. We're so excited to introduce our latest tool from Neuro coming March 2015. It's called Neuro Motion. This is the latest innovation from John Paul Mitchell Systems in hairdryers. And I just want to share some of the cool, unique features and benefits with this. Of course, it's working with our SmartSense filter technology. The SmartSense filter has a microchip inside, and what that does is it indicates to the stylist when this needs to be cleaned, which is really important. How you see that is this filter light starts to blink. That alerts you to clean the filter, keeps the dryer working at its optimum best. The microchip also means that the heat is even, it's instant, the controls are very, very precise. But what's unique and new about this dryer is, first of all, it's working with a DC motor, which is very lightweight. This is about 30% lighter than the average hairdryer. It's also working with ionic technology, and it's the first dryer to offer motion technology. So let me share with you how the Neuro Motion works. First of all, when I pick it up, I notice how light it is. That's because of the DC motor that we've incorporated. Even though it's lightweight, we didn't give anything else away. It's 1875 watts of power, so it's strong, it's powerful, it dries the hair faster than ever. It's also still working with the SmartSense microchip filter inside, which sends a light indicator to tell me when to clean the filter, which is really useful in keeping the longevity of the dryer. It's powerful, it's ionic, but what's the most cool thing about this is the motion zones. We have two different motion zones. First of all, we have a motion zone on the nozzle, so if you're holding the dryer by the nozzle, it knows that you're holding it. We also have motion zones on the handle, and I'll show you how these motion zones work. So first of all, you switch the dryer on, switch it off, switch it on, turn up the power, you can use it. The minute you put the dryer down, it switches itself off, like so. And what's cool about this, think about it when you're in the salon, how many times are you blow drying a guest's hair and you have to put the dryer down to take a section or to apply product or to answer the phone. The great thing about this is it knows when you're holding it and it knows when you're not. So it saves time, it saves energy, and it saves effort. So great innovation from John Paul Mitchell Systems and Neuro. And like I said, two motion zones, one in the handle, one in the nozzle. So you'll see I haven't touched it. I pick it up and it comes back on. Set it down and it switches off. So we feel this is a great innovation that's going to again help you in the salon to be just the best professional you can be. So enjoy.